ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कार एंड वेलकम टू our 199th class today, 17th of September. So we are doing Srinivas the pronouns, pronominal study. Sarvanama Shabdanam Abhyasaha Adhyanam Kriyate Asmabihi. Sarvanama, beginning with the Sarva itself is a Sarvanama, and there are so many others who we have seen. Most important among them being Tad and Etad, Kim, interrogative, Yad. These are some of the very important pronouns, and together with this we also have come across and studied Asmad and Ishmad, which are two personal pronouns. Asmad is I, Ishmad is you, have been studied in full length, that is from Prathama to Saptami we are studying now, and nouns have already been studied. So in the previous class we were supposed to write something on the board for the sake of the students. So I will show you those lessons now. 115th lesson, Abhyasa 115, you can see on the board. It is for two sects, two parts here, Abhyasa, Ka and Ka. Ka part is written into the left, you can see Ekavachana and Dvivachana. Dvivachanas are given there, only Bahuvachana. So, yes, you given to understand is Dvivachana is given there. In the book itself, you can see the Dvivachana. So, Ekavachana and Dvivachana and Bahuvachana at random. Dvivachana is there in the book. We have written Eka and Bahuvachana. Etad Shabda, in Strilinga we are studying here. Etad is this demonstrative. Esha, this, I have already explained the meaning. Etaha, these. Esha balika, etaha balika. Etam balikam, etaha balikaha. Etaya balikaya, etaya kanyaya, etabhihi, kanyabhihi, etasyai, etabhyaha, etasyaha kanyayah, balikayah, mahilāyah, etabhyah, etasyaha, etasam, etasyam, etasu. These are the Ekavachana and Bahuvachanas, while the Dvivachana is given in the book itself. So please look at them and how it's derived. Just have a concentrated look, and then you get it. Now, and also keep in mind where these are repeated, like in the noun case of the nouns. Etaha, etaha, prathama, dvitiya are repeated. Chaturthi, panchami is repeated. That is Bahuvachana. Etabhyaha, etabhyaha. And Ekavachana, in Ekavachana, Shashti and Panchami and Shashti both are also repeated. Etasyaha, etasyaha. This is so with every noun leaving the akaranta, as we have already noted. Now to go into the ka part of this etad, tad. This is tad, na? Yes. From etad we are going to tad. The second part is singular and duals are written on the board, while Bahuvachana is given, the plural is given in the text. So sa, this is she, te, and tam, te. Now I may remark here, this te is plural in Pullinga, while it is dual in Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. So this te, please make a note here, is plural in Pullinga, masculine pronoun, while it is dual number in the feminine gender and also neuter gender, Strilinga as well as in Napumsakalinga. So te. So you should not have any confusion regarding how to understand it, because from a given sentence you will be able to do get the meaning. Like te balike, if you say those two girls, te balakaha, if it is said, then those boys. we will have no problem in understanding once the pronoun is followed by some noun. Te pustake, if you take those two books, you can't have te pustakani or te etc. So that is how. Sa te, tam te, taya, tabhyam, tasyai, tabhyah. So the endings are almost same. Bhyaha, bhyam, etc. You can see tayoho, tasyaha, tayoho, tasyaha, tayoho, tasyam, tayoho, tasu and tasu. If you remove a, it becomes tad only here. If you delete a from this etad, it is tad feminine. So after this 115, we are going out to 116, exercise number 116. Today, Kim Shabda, interrogative pronoun, is going to be studied here. Strilinga Rupena, Prashna Vakyam Purayata. Now you have to learn the usage of Kim, interrogative pronoun, who, what and which. These are the senses you get in Kim Shabda. So you can read, Srinivas. So Kim Shabdasya Strilinga Prayoga Atra Dattaha Sita Ka Asit. You can't say Sita Kim Asit, Sita Kaha Asit. Kim pronoun has to be derived accordingly, according to the gender of Sita. Sita being feminine feminine noun, Strilinga Shabda, the pronoun qualifying it should also be feminine. Ka Sita, Ka Samasya, Ka Lanka, Ka Vedhana, Kaha Rogaha, Kaha, etc. Any pullinga Shabda, Kaha. And Kim for neuter. So Sita Ka Asid. Who was Sita? Next.
Hanuman dash Anvishtavan.
Kam Anvishtavan. We are now deriving Kim Shabda feminine from Prathama to Saptami suitably. Hanuman Kam Anvishtavan. Whom did Hanuman search? Kam Stream Mahilam. Kam Mahilam Hanuman Anvishtavan. Hanuman Kasyaha Mahilayaha Anveshanam Krutavan iti. So, whom did Hanuman search? Anveshana. Anvishtavan is Tavatu Pratyanta.
Hanuman is in Dvitiya.
Hanuman is Prathama. Hanuman is subject here. Karta. Prathama. Hanumat Shabda. Hanuman, Bhagavan, Bhagavantau, Bhagavantah. Bhagavan, Bhagavantau, Bhagavantaha. Hanuman, Hanumantau, Hanumantaha. That is it. So Hanuman, Anjaneyaha, if you have a doubt, you take the simple word. Anjaneyaha, Kam, whom, Kam, which lady, Anvishtavan, Anveshanam, Kasyaha, Striyaha, Anveshanam, Krutavan iti. Third one.
Balikayaha dash saha Maitri abhavat.
Balikayaha Kaya saha. Kaya, Trutiya. When you derive this Kim in Trutiya, Ka, Kam, Kaya. Just like here, Etaya, Taya. Taya, Kaya, Etaya. Same thing. Ka, you replace Taya with, replace Ta with Ka, Kakara. The letter Ka. Kim Shabda Ka, na? So Kaya. What is the sentence? Balikayaha Kaya saha Maitri abhavat. So, Maitri, friendship. With whom did the girl have friendship? With whom did the girl, with which girl rather? With which girl did the, understood that is, with whom did the girl have friendship? Balikayaha Kayasaha Maitri abhavat. Abhavat is lang prayoga, past tense of bhavati. Abhavat. Fourth, third one.
Mata phalam dash dattavati.
Mata phalam dattavati. So you put now Kim Shabda Strilinga Chaturthi Ekavachana. Just like Tasyai. Take out Ta, replace Ta by Ka, Kasyai. So Mata phalam Kasyai dattavati. For whom did Or to whom did the mother give fruit? For or to, whatever you want to say. To whom did the mother give the fruit? Kasyai dattavati. Mata palam kasyai dattavati. And then next fourth one.
Balakaha aranye dash bidheti.
Balakaha aranye. Then, well, here you can use in the, if we are to use kim shabda only, kasyaha. Just like tasyaha. Panchami. If you take pullinga, kasmat. Napumsakalinga, kasmat. So, since we are learning the usage of Strilinga Shabda, kasyaha viveti. So, let us suppose Vyagri is there. Aranye kachit Vyagri asti. Chintayantu. Aranye kachit Vyagri asti. Vyagrahana Vyagri. Tasyaha balakaha vibheti. So, a boy is scared of a tigress, let us suppose. Balakaha aranye kasyaha vibheti. Kasyaha vyagriyaha vibheti. Fifth.
Sa vruddha dash mata asit.
So here again the same kim shabda shashti is repeated. Panchami shashti same here. You can see there. Tasyaha tasyaha panchami shashti ekavachana. Etasyaha etasyaha. So kasyaha again same. Sa vruddha kasyaha mata asit. That old woman, whose mother was that old woman. Sa vruddha stri, understood, nari. Kasyaha mata asit, whose mother was that old lady. Understand? Whose, of whom. Okay. Sixth sentence.
Astamyam tithau dash agamanam.
Now, Saptami of Kim Shabda in Strilinga. Astamyam tithau. Here also I think we need to have Shashti only, Srinivas. Tithau kasyam agamanam. Kasya. Or you may take the Dvivachana of Saptami, Kayoho Agamanam. We can't predict it here. Astamyam Tithau, whose coming is there on the 8th. The meaning is, whose arrival is there on the 8th. Astamyam Tithau, on the 8th of date. On the 8th, whose arrival is there. So this whose should be in Shashti. Kasyaha Agamanam. If we take Saptami, it won't give meaning. Kasyam Agamanam. No. Or Kayoho you can take. Kayoho Agamanam. Kasam Agamanam. You can take Kasam also. Shashti. Shashti only. Kasyaha Kayoho Kasam. Shashti. Either you take Ekavachana, Dvivachana or Bahuvachana. Astamyam Tithau Kasyaha or Kayoho or Kasam Agamanam. Whose arrival is there on the 8th. Next, 7th sentence.
Vandana dash kakshayam patati. Kakshayam.
Here you clearly take Saptami of Kim Shabda. Vandana kasyam kakshayam patati. Kasyam kakshayam patati. In which class does Vandana study? In which class does Vandana study? Vandana kasyam kakshayam patati. And the 8th one.
Adhyapika dash chatram patayati.
Now here we have to take Dvitiya. Saptami is over. Na? By Saptami, by the 7th sentence, we have completed 7 vibhaktis. Now 8th one is, there is no 8th vibhakti. Na? So we are going back to, not Prathama but here Dvitiya is required. Adhyapika kam chatram patayati. Which girl student does the teacher is teaching? Does the teacher teach? which girl student does the teacher teach, or which girl student is the teacher teaching, whether it is continuous or simple present tense, that is up to us. Adhyapika kam chhatram pathayati. So patati is studies, patayati is teaching. Patati is learning, patayati is making someone learn. And then last one, ninth.
Trijata dash rakshasya saha agatavati.
One more sentence we have to do here. This ninth, Trijata, Trutiya of Kim is required. Trijata kaya rakshasya saha agatavati. With which demoness, along with which demoness did Trijata come? Trijata is also name of a demoness in Ramayana. Trijata is a woman, Rakshasi, lady Rakshasi, who was guarding Sita in Ashoka Vana. So Trijata kaya rakshasya, with which other female demon, saha, along with Agatavati, with whom did she come? So we go, Srinivas, here. The answers are, we'll go slowly. Ka is the one is done already. First one, Hanuman kam anvistavan. Kam, please take the answer as kam. Then second one, balikayaha kayasaha maitri abhavat kayasaha. Third one, Mata phalam kasyai dattavati. Kasyai. Please write down in your notebooks. Kasyai dattavati. For whom? To whom? Fourth one, Balakaha aranye kasyaha bhibheti. Kasyaha bhibheti. Fifth one, Sa vruddha kasyaha mata asit. Again kasyaha. Kasyaha. Whose? This is Shashti. And sixth one, Astamyam Tithau Kasyaha Agamanam. Here three answers are possible. Either you take the Ekavachana of Shashti, sixth singular, sixth dual, sixth plural. So we would put it Astamyam Tithau Kasyaha Agamanam, Kayoho Agamanam, Kasam Agamanam. You can choose any of the number, either singular, dual or plural, because the meaning will be perfect. And the seventh sentence, Vandana Kasyam Kakshyayam Pathati. In which class is Vandana studying, or in which class does Vandana study? The eighth one, Adhyapika kam chhatram pathayati. Which student is the teacher teaching, or does the teacher teach? Adhyapika kam chhatram pathayati. So, and finally, Trijata kaya rakshasya saha agatavati. With which demoness did Trijata come over? So these are the meanings. This is simple practice of the Kim Shabda in Strilinga Shabda. Kim in the interrogative Strilinga. And we go over to 117 now, Abhyasa. And here Kim Shabdasya Uchitena Strilinga Rupena. Again you are not left here, you are made to practice here Strilinga Prayoga of Kim Shabda. Srinivas. So one udaharana you can read and go ahead.
Kaha balikaha kolahanam kurvanti.
Now Kaha balikaha is Prathama Bahuvachana. Kaha balikaha. Which girls are making noise? Kolahala means noise. Kaha balikaha kolahalam kurvanti. Which girls are making noise? Next one.
Adhyapakaha dash chhatraha abhutavan.
So again here we require Kim Shabda in Ditiya Bahuvachana. Adhyapakaha Although remember, kaha is Prathama Bahuvachan also. Ka, ke, kaha and kam, ke, kaha. There isn't much difference between Prathama and Dvitiya excepting in the singular Srinivas. Ka becomes kam and ke, kaha repeated. So Adhyapakaha, the teacher, kaha chhatraha ahutavan. Which girl students did the teacher invite? That is the meaning. Which girl students did the teacher invite? 2.
Dash vidyarthini
Paritoshikani
not
praptani.
praptani.
So you put here Tritiya of Kim Strilinga. Ka bihi. Ka bihi. Like you can see here. Plural. Eta bihi. In the etad tad ta bihi. Eta bihi. Ta bihi. Eta bihi. Just like that. Eta bihi. You put in the place of eta ka. Ka bihi. So what is it? Ka bhihi vidyarthini bihi paritoshikani na praptani. By which, this is a sentence in passive construction, passive voice, Srinivas. By which girl students the gifts are not obtained. So that is a literal meaning I am giving you. By which girl students the gifts are not obtained. The gifts are not obtained by which girl students? In other words, which girl students did not get the gifts? You put it in a straight English sentence. Which girl students did not get the gifts? By which girl student? Literally, by which girl students? Kabihi vidyarthi nibihi paritoshikani na praptani. So next, Sikshika.
Dash balikabhyah kupyati.
So you go by the noun balikabhyah, so kabhyah. Sikshika, the teacher, lady teacher, kabhyah balikabhyah kupyati. With which students, literally translating, with which two girl students is the teacher angry? With which girl students is the teacher angry? The teacher is angry with the girl students. So with which kabhyah, because interrogative na, kabhyah chhatrabhyah sikshika kupyati. With which girl students is the teacher angry? Next, 4.
Mahilah dash nadibhyah jalam anitavathyah.
Kabhyah, this panchami here. Kabhyah, mahilah kabhyah nadibhyah jalam anitavathyah. Anitavathyah also watch. This is Strilinga of tavatu, participle, past active participle. Kabhyah is there, na? Bahuvachana. Here. Etabhyah. Etabhyah. So mahilah kabhyah nadibhyah jalam anitavathyah. From which rivers did the women get water? From which rivers did the women get the water? 5th.
Dash mahilanam abharanani nastani.
Kasam mahilanam. You take now kim shabda in Bahuvachana. Kasam shashti kasyaha kayoho kasam. That is there. Like etasam, tasam, etasam. Kasam mahilanam abharanani nastani. Oh, so what is the meaning of which of which women the ornaments are lost? The ornaments of which women are lost? The ornaments of which women are lost? Kasam mahilanam abharanani nastani. Nastani is a verb here, going behaving like a, it's used like an adjective. So adjectival to the neuter noun abharanani. Abharanam, abharane, abharanani. Nastam, naste, nastani. Kasam mahilanam, of which women The ornaments are lost. Right, next.
Anuradha dash kanyasu shresthatama.
So there is a girl by name Anuradha. Kasu mahilasu kanyasu. Kasu Anuradha kasu kanyasu shresthatama. Among which girls is Anuradha the best? Among which girls is Anuradha the best? Anuradha kasu kanyasu shresthatama. Seventh.
Dash mahilabhyah ratanam na rochate.
Kabhyaha mahilabhyaha. This is Chaturthi, Srinivas. Rochate is there, na? Ruchyartanam priyamanaha Chaturthi. We have studied this. Whenever something is liked, whenever somebody likes something, we put that in Chaturthi. Ratanam means by hearting. Ratanam is by hearting. So, kabhyaha mahilabhyaha ratanam na rochati. So, which women do not like memorizing? Which women do not like memorizing? Or to put it in the literal sense, for which women is not liked, learning by rote is not liked. That is a very odd un-English expression that will becomes. So which women do not like to learn by rote? Ratanam means what I said? Memorizing. Yeah, Ratana is like Dukringi Karane, something. Repeatedly saying Ratana. By hearting. Eighth.
Adhyapakaha dash balikaha pruchati.
Now balikaha is here not Prathama Dvitiya, therefore kaha you take. Adhyapakaha kaha balikaha pruchati. Which girls is the teacher asking? Which girls is the teacher asking? Adhyapakaha kaha balikaha pruchati. Now again there should not be any doubt here. Kaha looks like Prathama Bahuvachana, but it is not Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Balikaha also is Dvitiya Bahuvachana, because if you think it is Prathama Bahuvachana, you cannot have the meaning in Sanskrit. Then Adhyapakaha kaha balikaha pruchati means who girls, which teacher asking. That will be the sense if you take in Prathama. But otherwise, the teacher is asking which girls. And the last one.
Dash balikanam aksharani sundarani.
Kasam balikanam aksharani sundarani. Now in this sentence, Akshara Shabda, which is a noun, Sundara Shabda is a noun used as adjectives here. Sundara is adjective here, Akshara is a noun. Kasam balikanam aksharani sundarani santi bhavanti. Santi is an implied verb. Which girls' letters are beautiful? Of which girl? No. Which girls' letters are beautiful? That is writing. Which girl's writing is beautiful? Kasam balikanam aksharani sundarani. So here we go again. I will go very slowly. Only the answers I will speak out. Adhyapakaha, the answer is kaha. First one is kaha, chatraha. Second one, dash is there. Kabhihi vidyarthinivihi. Kabhihi. First is kaha. Second is kabhihi. Third one is kabhyaha. Since the noun is balikabhyaha, kabhyaha. Fourth, mahilaha, kabhyaha, nadibhyaha. Kabhyaha, nadibhyaha. Fifth, kasam, nadinam. Sorry, mahilanam. Kasam, mahilanam. Sixth, Anuradha dash kasu kanyasu. Kasu is the answer, kanyasu. Then seventh opening answer kabhyaha, mahilabhyaha, kabhyaha. Eighth one kaha, adhyapakaha, kaha balikaha pruchati. And finally, Kasam Balikanam Aksharani Sundarani. So here we have the derivation of Strilinga. I think it is practiced in singular, dual and plural ways, not to forget. And Ekavachana is coming here. Now some more writing practice is coming in the next Abhyasa 118, next page. So is it okay, Srinivas?
Yes.
You think we need to write? Not necessary, because this should be their guide. Let them see this and follow. Abhyasa 118, we move on. Kim Shabdasya Strilinga Rupani Purayata. Now you have to fill up the Kim totally. Srinivas, Ka, fill up. Ke Kaha. Ka, Ke Kaha. Like Sa, if you take Tad, Ta, Sa, Te, Taha. Esha, Ete, Etaha. So, Dvitiya, Kam, Ke, again same. Kam, Ke, Kaha. Yes, Kaya, Kabihi. Kaya, Kabhyam, Kabihi. Yes, next. Kabhyam. Yes. This is given, I am just looking in the page 280, that means in the last class. In the previous class, we have gone through this completely. On page 280, Kim's Shabda is given in full length. That is what is being practiced here on 285. So, fifth Srinivas, Kasyaha, Kayoho, Kabhyam, Kabhyaha. Kasyaha, Kabhyam, Kabhyaha. Shashti, Kasyaha, Kayoho, Kasam. Saptami, Kasyam, Kayoho, Kasu. Kasu, what we have just done, Kasu. So, rapidly going, Ka, Ke, Kaha, Kam, Ke, Kaha, Kaya, Kabhyam, Kabhihi, Kasya, Kabhyam, Kabhyaha, Kasyaha, Kabhyam, Kabhyaha, Kasyaha, Kayoho, Kasam, Kasyam, Kayoho, Kasu. This is, if you know either Kim feminine or Tad feminine, it doesn't matter. All are derived. If you put Tad in the place of Kim here, Sa, Te, Taha, Tam, Te, Taha, Taya, Tabhyam, Tabihi, Tasyai, Tabhyam, Tabhyaha, Tasyaha, Tabhyam, Tabhyaha, Tasyaha, Tayoho, Tasam, Tasyam, Tayoho, Tasu. You can do with any other pronoun also. Etad also in the same way. Esha, Ete, Etaha. Etam, Ete, Etaha, Etaya, Etabhyame, addition of A, that is known to you. Now we move on to another Abhyasa here, 119. Here, Idam Shabda is coming. Idam Shabdasya Uchitena Strilinga Rupena. And where is this Idam given? It is given in page 280, Srinivas. In 280 page, just now I told you, the same. Kim feminine, above Kim feminine you find in the previous class we came across 280 page Idam Shabda. Idam is this, we have studied that, and here we go with the Abhyasa. What is the sentence formation is there? Complete the sentence with the appropriate feminine form. Now, how do you put the first one, Srinivas? Iyam Putri Asti. Iyam Mama Putri Asti. This is my daughter. You can as well say Esha Mama Putri Asti if your daughter is very close to you. If you go by the that explanatory poem what we studied, Srinivas, Idamastu Sanni Krusti. If you go by that, Iyam Mama Putri Asti, this is my daughter. If your daughter is very close to you, Esha Mama Putri Asti, you can use Etat Shabda. Etad Samipataravarti. So, second one.
Dash Balikaha Pathaya.
So, you take.
Imaha Pathaya. Imaha Balikaha.
Sorry, Idam Shabda you put in Dvitiya Bahuvachana. There are two forms, Imaha, Enaha. Anyone you take, Imaha Balikaha Pathaya. You teach these girls. Imaha Balikaha Pathaya. You teach these girls. Teach to these girls. Two also you can say. Third one.
Dash Kanyaya Sahatvam Yahi.
Yahi. Yahi means Gacha. Ya to go. Ya means, this is the verb ya which means to go. Yatra is there, na Srinivas? Yanam, which takes yanam, yatra, ya to go, yahi gaccha, go.
Yati. Yati.
Yati is also there. Yati. So
Anaya, Enaya.
Anaya, yes, there are two forms here again in the idam shabda. Anaya, Enaya, Saha, Kanyaya Saha. Along with this girl, Tvam Yahi, you go. You go along with this girl. The meaning of the sentence is you go along with this girl. Anaya Kanyaya Saha, Tvam Gaccha or Tvam Yahi. Both mean same, Gaccha or Yahi. Fourth. आभ्यः
मालाभ्यः एतानि पुष्पाणि रक्षितानि सन्ति
आभ्यः मालाभ्यः एतानि पुष्पाणि रक्षितानि सन्ति from these garlands these flowers are protected from these garlands Abhyaha malabhyaha from these garlands, etani pushpani, these flowers, rakshitani santi are protected. Rakshitani protected are santi. Okay, next. Fifth. Adhyapika. Asyaha patashalayaha adhyapikaha. The teachers of this school, asyaha of this patashalayaha school, of this school, adhyapikaha teachers, lady teachers, samskritagnaha santi are knowers of Sanskrit, are knowers of Sanskrit language. Samskritagnaha santi asyaha, that is the answer. Sixth.
Dash nadibhyaha jalam anayanti.
Abhyaha nadibhyaha from these rivers, from these rivers, jalam anayanti, they are bringing water. They bring water or they are bringing water from these rivers. Abhyaha nadibhyaha jalam anayanti. Ke anayanti, kaha anayanti, who are bringing is immaterial here. Next.
Dash shatikayoho varnaha tulyaha eva.
So you take dvivachana here because shatikayoho shabda is dvivachana. Anayoho enayoho shatikayoho varnaha tulyaha asti. The color of these two saris is same. The color of these two saris is same. Anayoho enayoho शाटिकयोः वर्णः तुल्यः समानः अस्ति. तुल्यः नाम समानः अस्ति. वर्णः नाम रङ्गः. There is also a word by name रङ्गः. वर्णः रङ्गः. तुल्यः समानः अस्ति वर्तते. Next.
Dash मालायां शतं पुष्पाणि सन्ति.
अस्यां मालायां idam shabda saptami ekavachana asyam malayam, in this garland shatam pushpani santi, there are 100 flowers. There are 100 flowers in this garland, that is the meaning. Asyam malayam shatam pushpani santi. Shatam is a numerical number which is neuter, Srinivas. It need not be derived. It doesn't get derived. Shatam rupyakani, shatam pustakani, shatam purushaha, shatam pushpani santi. Right, ninth one.
Dash matroho kapi santatihi nasti.
What is the word for this dvivachana? Anayoho enayoho. Isn't it? Yes. There are two forms. Anayoho matroho kapi santatihi na asti. Ka api santatihi na asti. These two, Srinivas, in possession we use Shashti here. Anayoho matroho ka api santatihi na asti. These two mothers do not have any children. Getting meaning? These two mothers have no children. Kaapi santatihi, ka api means not at all. Kaapi. These two mothers do not have any children. Any children. Santati means children. These two mothers do not have any children. And the last one.
Dash mahilasu bahu dhairyamasti.
Asu mahilasu. Asu. Is it okay? Asu. So we can't go and show them in your monitor. Just for once. 280. Can you show them, Srinivas?
Yeah.
Please. 280 page. So that I will again repeat once.
Yes.
So I am reading the answers. You look to the monitor, please. First one, Iyam mama putri asti. Iyam. Second one, Imaha enaha. There are two forms you can see in the monitor. Imaha enaha balikaha pataya. Third one is Anaya enaya kanyaya sahatvam yahi. Then fourth, Abhyaha, you can see Chaturthi. Or this is also Abhyaha is Panchami also. Panchami Bahuvachana, right? Abhyaha, Malabhyaha, Etani Pushpani, etc. Fifth answer is Asyaha, Patasha, Asyaha. Sixth is Abhyaha, from this. Nadibhyaha, from. Then seventh is seventh is Anayoho, Shatikayoho, Enayoho, Anayoho. Eighth one is Asyam, Malayam, Asyam. Ninth one is Anayoho, Matroho, Anayoho, of these. And finally Asu, you can see the seventh plural is Asu. So this is the Idam Shabda, Strilinga Shabda. We pass on. There are still exercises coming up, Srinivas. More. 120 exercise number, Abhyasaha. Idam Shabdasya Strilinga Rupani Purayata. Now you are again learning the same. What you have just seen on the monitor, you have to practice here. Srinivas? Can you do? You put them on 120 Abhyasa. Is it seen in the?
Yes. Iyam ime imaha.
Iyam ime imaha. Dvitiya. Imam. Enam. Ime imaha. The double forms you can learn later. I would recommend that you pick up the double forms a bit later. So Imam ime imaha. Dvitiya. Tritiya. Anaya. Enaya is also there. Anaya. Abhyam abihi. Chaturthi. Asyai. Abhyam abhyaha. Panchami. Asyaha. Abhyam abhyaha. Shashti. Asyaha. Anayoho asam. Saptami. Asyam anayoho asu. Don't mistake this asu to be Hindi asu. Hindi people ashru, they say asu. There is no tear here. It is only a pronoun. And one more thing, Srinivas, in the previous video class I checked up, the text was not very clearly visible. I don't know whether scanning was not done properly. You have to check. Okay, this is very simple. So fast again I do 120. Iyam ime imaha. Imam ime imaha. Anaya abhyam avihi. Asmai asyai abhyam abhyaha. Asyaha abhyam abhyaha. Asyaha anayoho asam. Asyam anayoho asu. So Abhyasa 121, Srinivas. Sarva Shabdasya Strilinga Rupai. Now there is a lot of stress given to feminine nouns here in these pages. Riktasthanani Purayati. You fill up with the feminine gender of the pronoun Sarva. Sarva means all. Akaranta Sarva Shabda. Now Srinivas, first one.
Dash balika vidyalayam gachanti.
So All the girls are going to the school. That is what we want to say in Sanskrit. Sarvaha balikaha vidyalayam gachanti. Sarvaha, like, yes, next.
dash chatrabhi sah latika samam vyavaharati.
Sarvabhihi balikabhihi chatrabihi saha latika samam vyavaharati. Latika behaves equally with all the students, girl students. Latika behaves equally. Sarvabhihi chatrabhihi. So sarvabhihi is the answer in Tritiya Bahuvachana. Next, 3.
dash bhushaya balika virajati.
Sarvaya bhushaya balika virajati. Sarvaya bhushaya balika virajati means with any and every, with any ornament the girl looks good. With every ornament. Also, or with any ornament, Srinivas. Sarvaya bhushaya. Bhusha is decoration, ornamentation. With any or every ornamentation, this girl looks good. Is it clear? Sarvaya bhushaya balika virajati. Virajati means shines. Shobhati. The girl looks good with every ornamentation. Any ornamentation. 4th.
dash vidyayai
Prayasam kuruta. Sarvasyai vidyayai. Sarvasyai vidyayai. Chaturthi of Sarva Shabda. Prayasam kuruta. You make effort, prayasam prayatnam. You make effort for every type of education. That is the meaning. Sarvasyai vidyayai prayasam prayatnam kuruta. You all make effort for every type of education. Sarvasyai vidyayai. For every education, every type of education. Sarvasyai vidyayai. So since vidyayai is Chaturthi, the Sarva Shabda should also be input in Chaturthi Ekavachana. Sarvasyai. 4th, 5th.
Stribhyah shatikaah priyaah bhavanti.
Sarvabhyah stribhyah. For all the women, irrespective, for all the women, shatikaah priyaah bhavanti. So, you can say for all the women to all the women also. So, either you put for or to, doesn't matter here. Sarvabhyah stribhyah shatikaah priyaah bhavanti. To all the women, saris are dear. Saris are dear to all the women. Now, in which case it is Sarvabhyah, either Chaturthi Bahuvachana or Panchami Bahuvachana. Yes, 6th.
dash stribhyah sita pruthak.
Sarvabhyah stribhyah. From, this is clearly Panchami Srinivas. Sarvabhyah from all stribhyah women, Sita pruthak. Sita is different. So what is the meaning? Sita is different from all the women. Sarvabhyah stribhyah Sita pruthak asti. Asti is implied. Sarvabhyah stribhyah Sita pruthak asti. Sita is different from all. Right. 7th.
Nadinam jalam shitalam bhavati.
Now this is a statement of all the rivers. Water is cool. Sarvasam nadinam jalam sitalam bhavati. Of all the rivers, the water of all the rivers is cool. The water, jalam, sarvasam nadinam of all the rivers, sitalam bhavati is cool. The water of all the rivers is cool. So sarvasam, that is the 8th one. Dash.
dash nadishu nakraah na bhavanti.
Sarvasu nadishu. Now sarvasu nadishu nakraah na bhavanti. There are no crocodiles, alligators in all the rivers. In some rivers they may be there. So sarvasu nadishu nakraah na bhavanti. Alligators or crocodiles are not there in all the sarvasu. That is the answer. 9th.
Mahilabhyah phalani vitaratu.
Sarvabhyah महिलाभ्यः फलानि वितरतु. Distribute fruits to all the women, for all the women. Sarvabhyah mahilabhyah phalani vitaratu. Vitaratu means you distribute. You distribute fruits for all, to all the women. Sarvabhyah is the answer. Next.
dash chatrabhi saha adhyapika sambhashanam karoti.
Sarvabhihi, 10th one. Sarvabhihi chatrabhihi saha adhyapika sambhashanam karoti. The teacher is conversing with all the girl students. The teacher converses, talks with all the students. Sarvabhihi chatrabhihi saha, along with all the students the teacher is conversing. 11th. Dash gruhinam
dash gruhininam
gruhininam namani sa janat. Sarvasam gruhininam namani sa janati. She knows the names of all the householders. Gruhinam means housewives. Sorry. She knows Sarvasam gruhininam namani sa janati. She knows the names of all the housewives. Sarvasam gruhininam. Nama namani namani. Sa is a pronoun from tad strilinga. Sa. Janati is a verb. And the next 12th one.
dash chatrasu samanaha snehah bhavatu.
Sarvasu chatrasu samanaha snehah bhavatu. Let there be equal affection. Let there be equal affection towards all the girl students. Towards all the girl students. Chatrasu. Sarvasu chatrasu samanaha snehah bhavatu. Let there be equal affection.
Among all the
No, towards, better towards. Among is not, towards all the. We translate Saptami by towards also. Like in a sentence like this. Sarvasu chatrasu, towards all the girl students. 13.
dash mahilaha gruham agachanti.
Sarvaha mahilaha griham agachanti. All the women are coming home. Sarvaha mahilaha griham agachanti. So this is Prathama Bahuvachana. Since Mahilaha is Prathama Bahuvachana. 14th.
dash sakhibhihi saha khadati.
Sarvabhihi sakhibhihi khadati. Saha khadati. Somebody is eating with along with all her friends. Someone is eating, some lady is eating along with all her friends. Sarvabhihi sakhibhihi saha, along with. So 15 and the last one.
dash vatikasu phalani santi.
Sarvasu vatikasu phalani santi. There are fruits in all the gardens. There are fruits in all the gardens. So I think Srinivas, this is to be written out. Sarva Shabda. A big one, 15 words only we need to write. So just tell me, I will keep it. What is the exercise number?
121.
Yes.
dash balikaah vidyalayam gachanti. Sarvaah
Yes.
balikaah.
Sarvaha balika. Right. 2.
सर्वाभिः छात्राभिः सह लतिका समं व्यवहरति.
Sarvabhihi. Yes. 3.
dash bhushaya balika virajati.
What is that?
dash bhushaya
Bhushaya. Sarvaya.
sarvaya bhushaya balika.
4th.
dash dash vidyaya विद्यायै प्रयासं कुरुत
सर्वस्यै
विद्यायै
yes next
सर्वभ्यः स्त्रीभ्यः शाटिकाः प्रियाः
सर्वाभ्यः
स्त्रीभ्यः
right sixth
सर्वाभ्यः स्त्रीभ्यः सीता पृथक्
right
डैश नदीनां जलं शीतलं भवति
सर्वासां
नदीनां
8
डैश नदीषु नक्राः न भवन्ति
सर्वासु 9th
सर्वाभ्यः महिलाभ्यः फलानि वितरतु
yes
सर्वाभिः छात्राभिः सह अध्यापिका सम्भाषणं करोति
yes 11th
डैश गृहिणीनां नामानि सा जानाति
सर्वासां
सर्वासां गृहिणीनां
and then 12th I think I need not change color, dangerous it will. I will use the same green. 12
सर्वासु छात्रासु समानः स्नेहः भवतु
yes
सर्वाः महिलाः गृहम् आगच्छन्ति
yes
सर्वाभिः सखीभिः सह खादतु
right 14
सर्वासु वाटिकासु फलानि सन्ति
सर्वासु so this is how we have practiced today feminine noun of idam and sarva shabda in detail, and the rest will be taken up in the next class. Shubham Bhuyat.